Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
First, confirm your iPad runs iPad OS 15 or later before continuing. Open Settings and navigate to General. Find Picture-in-Picture and ensure the toggle is turned on. Next, update the YouTube app from the App Store to the latest version. Remember that official YouTube app PyP availability varies by region and subscription status. If PyP is restricted, use the browser method I will describe next. Keep your iPad unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi for smooth playback. Open the YouTube app and play the video you want to watch in PyP. While the video plays, swipe up to go home or press the home button. The video should automatically shrink into a floating picture-in-picture window. Tap the window once to reveal playback controls and a close button. Drag the window to any corner of the screen and pinch to resize the window smaller or larger. To return to the full app, tap the PyP window and then tap the expand icon. If the YouTube app will not show PyP, open Safari and go to YouTube. Instead. Start the video and if necessary request the desktop site from the Share menu. Tap the Picture-in-Picture icon inside the player or press Home to trigger PyP immediately. While PyP plays, you can drag it to any corner and pinch to resize the window. To temporarily hide the video but keep audio playing, drag the window to the screen edge. Tap the close icon to stop PyP, or tap the window to return to Safari for full viewing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.